Hi, hello friends, welcome to My Gamer SRCL channel. Today I am going to explain about the latest beta version of PUBG Mobile 1.0 Erangel 2.0 map. Don't forget to watch till end. There is something with the server. Yeah friends, this is the lobby of beta version. Yeah friends, we can see the graphics, the area. It was super. Friends, this is the Parhos crate. We will get Parhos crate here by opening it. Yeah, you can see it was natural. The area was natural. Yeah, the airplane is broken, and the boxes, the people. Okay, the graphics is too good. Yeah, some changes are done in PUBG Mobile beta version. Yeah, the map is very natural. I'm playing in HD mode, high quality. This is the top view. Yeah, you can see the water. The color was nice. This is the map, Erangel map 2.0. Yeah, some changes are occurred in 2.0 beta version of PUBG Mobile. Friends, today I am going to explain the locations and upgraded construction buildings. Yeah, friends, you can hear the sound footsteps of enemy. Yeah, it was too clear. Okay, the shooting sound is good. Peak firing mode option is not available in this beta version 2.0. Yeah, the beta version should upgrade the peak fire option. It will take some time. We can hear the footsteps of enemy. Yeah, in this game auto pickup is not enabled. This feature is not available here. You have to pick up the material manually, so this feature is not good at all. Okay. We can see the fencing. Yeah friends, you can see the fencing with iron. Yeah, it is a new feature in this game. Okay friends, auto pickup weapons is not available. For weapons looting is not available auto pickup, so we have to loot manually. So this is the build up power. Okay, there is a fencing. Yeah, this all are rusted, full of rust. We can see the bricks. Yeah, you can see the natural. Yeah, this is the build up power friends. The build up power is totally changed. Yeah, there is a sheds, too many sheds. There is no vehicle available here. Yeah, in normal PUBG Mobile there is a vehicle near build power, but there is no vehicle near build power in PUBG Mobile 1.0 Erangel 2.0. Okay friends, this is the main house of build power. Yeah, this is the shed. Yeah, the biggest shed. Yeah, this is too cool. Yeah, yeah, you can see the bricks, the steps, the walls, the boxes. Yeah, we have one feature that we can hide behind the box. Yeah, you can see how I am hidden. Yeah, you can see the machine in front of us. There's bricks. Yeah, this area was too big. Okay, it like some electric area, somewhat like it. Yeah, you can see the sound effects. The sound effects are too good. I changed my controls, uh, same as in PUBG Mobile. First broken friends, it was broken friends. Yeah, I'm lifting this area. Okay, friends, now I'm going to Milta. Yeah, you can see the location, the sheds, too many cars, damaged cars. Yeah friends, you can see the broken one. Yeah, you can see the mountain broken one. Yeah, this is the boxes. You can see steps at left side. Okay, the area is changed totally. Yeah, you can see the shed, it was totally changed. The road, there is no grass at all. Here you can observe it, there is no grass. Whereas in PUBG Mobile there is full of grass. Okay friends, this is the bridge camp area. Okay friends, where we camp here and shoot the enemies. The rush area once while getting into the zone, crossing this area. It was a rush area. Okay friends, this is the military base friends. Yeah, you can see military base. It was totally changed. Like it was like a school, mostly like a danger school. Friends, this is we can see the inner one. Okay friends, yeah, too many boxes are available here. Okay friends, yeah, you can see total of boxes available. Total boxes, yeah, you can see the photos, PUBG Mobile photos on the walls. Okay friends, with the vehicle somewhat. Okay friends, there is full of loot here. You can find the full loot here from now. Yeah, this is the waste. Okay friends, I am getting out from here. The zone I had only 1 minute. Okay, yeah, this is some wall type. You can see the statue, the global statue, like international, you can see in front of me. Okay, yeah, I got 8x. I had M24. Yeah, it's too good. It's time to snipe headshots. Yeah, you can see my loot. Okay friends, yeah, it was same as PUBG Mobile. Okay friends, automatic scope is not available. Okay friends, the universal mark symbol is also not available. Where there is a danger head, something like that, a symbol attack the point, get in the core. This feature is not available. Universal mark is not available here. Peak edge fire also not available friends. Yeah, it was a worst thing friends. The main PUBG Mobile pro players use peak fire. Yeah, it was not available here. Yeah, I went through settings there. It was not available. Okay friends, we can see the boxes. These boxes same from all places. These boxes are available. Okay friends, you can see the sounds of doors. Yeah, we can able to hear the enemies entering a room. The door is super good friends. It was natural. Okay friends, okay, yeah, it was there is a zone friends. I'm getting in the zone. Okay friends, yeah, next I will go to next which area, the safe area. Yeah, you can see the military base. Okay friends, don't forget to watch till the end friends. There is something made with the server. Yeah, too many enemies here friends. After zone also, yeah, you can see the other enemy. Okay friends, yeah, it was noob, total noob friends, because this is my top 10 game. Okay friends, in PUBG Mobile 1.0 beta version friends. Yeah, the vehicle headshot, I like headshot friends. M24 dad as is killed by me. This is a load. Okay friends, we have to pick up manually friends. It was not able to pick up automatically. Okay friends, just listen friends very carefully. The upgraded beta version friends. Yeah, there is a super defense we can uh, have here. Yeah, this total change bricks from the outside. Okay friends, the inner structure also change. Yeah, you can see this area. Okay friends, ferry pier, near ferry pier. Okay friends, there's some rush area also. This is, yeah friends, this is like military friends. You can see this. It's a wonder. I wondered about this. It's like only military, the area which is located at the military. Okay friends, like military base, something like that. Yeah, this is the tower. Okay friends, yeah, you can see these tanks. Too many tanks are available upon the roof of the buildings. Okay friends, you can see this quarry. The rocks is super. It was natural. Okay friends, it was too hard rocks. Okay, the shades are changed. The inner parts of shades are also changed. Yeah, you can see the room, the color is too changed. Okay, yeah, this is covered, and this is machine gun. Like fire in military. Yeah, we can hide from here. Okay friends, while attacking the enemies. Yeah, I will show one secret place. Okay friends, yeah, this place is super good to attack a enemy, and we can hide from him. From the we can hide and we can kill easily friends. Yeah, you can see this wooden blocks are available totally. Okay friends, this scorpion gun like UG gun, I love to hear it. Okay friends, you can see this room also upgraded. Okay, yeah, I'm now getting out of from here. Okay friends, yeah, this is airdrop friends. Yeah friends, I got ghillie suit friends, my lovely ghillie suits. Yeah friends, now I'm going to explain the inner of buildings, inner structure friends. I'll add some videos at the end friends. Yeah, I'll show the inner ones. I have to get the drop also, so I'll explain about it. Yeah, this is inside of room. Yeah, it was like a bathroom friends. This corner room was, it was not good, it was like a bathroom. Yeah, you can see the inner was like a bathroom. Okay friends, yeah, you can see the walls. Yeah, I have to get the drop. Yeah, you can see this small room like a bathroom. Yeah, you can see the outside cover. Yeah, it was too good. Okay friends, from here we can see enemies and we can hide here. Okay friends, and there's enemy. Okay, first don't forget to pick up the materials manually. Okay friends, you have to check the bag and you have to remove unwanted material. Friends, while removing the ammo or unwanted materials, remove drop all. Okay friends, press on drop all. I will explain about the drop all. I will. Yeah friends, I got MK14 also. I had 8x also. Yeah, in my bag I had 8x. Okay, I got 3x 8x. It was enough to get the chicken dinner friends. Only 2 members are available. Okay friends, shot oh shit full damage हो गया. Okay, shot भी हो गया. Now where is the last person? Yeah, I got chicken dinner friends. Oh, something went with the server. What happened? Hello, this is Shark One. I put this video in my YouTube channel, friends. I put live. Something went with the server in PUBG Mobile 1.0, Erangel 2.0. Yeah, friends, I am roaming. I like to roam the area. I like to visit total area, and I will explain about the locations. Yeah, I don't know what to do, but it happens rarely, friends. Yeah friends, I mentioned a link in description. You can watch the video, and I played this game offline also. I don't know what happened with the PUBG Mobile. Yeah friends, this is Gatka. Yeah, you can see the outside total change. You can see blue color woods. The outside was totally changed. Okay friends, the inner side also totally changed. Okay, you can see. Sorry friends, I can't get out from this vehicle. I stuck in this. There's something went with the server. PUBG Mobile Beta version 2.0 friends. Yeah, the tree was too good and we lost so many grass also. Friends, I can't throw any material from my bag. Yeah, you can see. I'm stuck. I don't know about what happened with the server friends. Yeah, I'm now getting away from this vehicle friends. I like to destroy this vehicle friends. I had unlimited petrol. Yeah, unstoppable. Now I am. Yeah, I streamed this video live. I placed in the description link. Okay friends, this is the Pochinki area. You can see it was a church. In Pochinki area you can see the surroundings of Pochinki. Okay, while you can observe the church. Yeah, it was so beautiful in blue color friends. It was upgraded, whereas in PUBG Mobile it was very old building. Okay, whereas in PUBG Mobile Beta version 2.0 Okay, it was very beautiful friends, blue color building. I mentioned a link in the description, please go through it. You will watch the live. Something went with the server. I placed in my YouTube channel friends, go through the video. Change occurred in this. Okay friends, yeah, this is Russia. Okay friends, yeah, we know everything. The PUBG players know everything in Pochinki. Yeah, I can't get out from this vehicle friends. You can see the changes occurred in Pochinki area. The colors, the building walls, bricks, the wood material, the color change, yellow color. The trees is too long and the vehicle is repaired. Okay, you can see that the vehicle is too repaired. The walls are same. Yeah, you can see the walls change, but the color is changed. Yeah, I can't throw any material from this. I can't get out from this vehicle. I can't damage this vehicle. I got unlimited petrol. You can select the location. We can change the vehicle position from the right side change seat. So this is the best option for us. We're playing in beta version PUBG Mobile. Yeah, you can change the place automatically where we want. So you can see here right side down. Okay friends. Let's go to another area friends. Yeah. Let's go to another area. You can see the changes occurred in the poaching area. This building was too old. Looks like the outskirt. You can see the some rusted area. The bricks was broken. The coloring beautiful. Somewhat we lost the grass. You can see the grass. There is no grass, friends. Only tall trees. Yeah, friends. This is the near to school, friends. Yeah, you can see the buildings, tall buildings. It's a rush area in PUBG Mobile. Okay, friends. Yeah, you can see. I let to switch off my network. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is a school, friends. The school was too beautiful, friends. There's a flag. You can see. Okay, friends. This is school area. Yeah, there was a statue. You can see the bricks are changed, the coloring, the grass. There is no grass. There is tall trees available here. The gates are available. School. Yeah, you can see the simple building. Okay, this is the Rojuk area. Yeah, you can see the structure of buildings. Yeah, we can watch some tanks up on the buildings. I don't know the reason why the tanks are available up on the buildings. This is the project area. Yeah, friends, I switched to my mobile data. After all, yeah, I'm playing the game. Friends, you can see that I like to switch off my mobile data or Wi-Fi. Yeah, I start up to my streaming, friends. Yeah, I lost my Wi-Fi connection, friends. Yeah, I disconnected my mobile data or Wi-Fi connection, friends. Yeah, you can see I can play the game offline. Also, I don't know what went with the server, friends. Yeah, go through the link mentioned in the description. You will see the link in the description, friends. Okay, friends, I don't know what happened. Yeah, friends, I have to move from this area very fast. Okay. Yeah, can get inside the room. Yeah, you can see that from outside. The grass is brown grass. Yeah, you can see green grass is not available mostly in beta version. It was removed. Mostly green grass is removed. Okay, friends. Yeah, you can see the this upstairs. Okay, friends. The slope is very good. The rocks, the area, the land, the vehicle is also the road. The total graphics is changed. Yeah, now I'm going to George Pool, friends. Yeah, this is the water area near to George Pool, friends. Yeah, the bricks is too old, looks like, but it was too good. Yeah, you can see the water, the depth of water shown black color. Okay, friends. Yeah, I don't know why the reason the tank is placed up on the roof. Yeah, this is the George Pool, friends. You can see the sheds. There is two sheds. Yeah, this is the George Pool area, friends. This is the outside from outside. We can see there is no grass available here. There is only trees, tall trees. We can hide behind the trees. Yeah, there is no grass, friends. I don't know the reason. The grass is totally removed. Short grass is available here, friends. There is sheds, three sheds. The shed interior is changed. You can see the out fencing. Okay, friends. Yeah, you can see the three the this was all was rusted iron. You can see the shed color is changed. It was too long. Okay, friends, it was colorful. But India is not good at all. Mostly, we can have there is so many boxes available inside it. We can hide while enemy shooting us. Okay, friends. Yeah, this is the city of Georgopol. Yeah, you can see the like sheds. Something is upon the roofs. Okay, this is the outskirts. Okay, friends. I don't know the reason why the tanks are placed upon it. Now let's go to the hospital area. Oh, friends, this is the hospital area. You can see the color changed. It's too good. Okay, this is the hospital, friends. Yeah, friends, this is the steps. This is some. Yeah, this is a damaged vehicle, friends. Some boxes. The hospital area. Okay, friends. Yeah, you can see the bricks. How it was arranged. The interior. I don't know the reason why the tank is placed upon it. We can hide here. This box is different. Oh God, I'm stuck. Shit, I'm stuck. You can see what step. Going inside upon the steps. There is some iron beside us. Okay, friends. Now I'm going to Georgepol. Yeah, this is a Georgepol. 1 second. There is no grass. We can see this is the rusted one. This all is rusted. You can see it was all total rusted. There is no grass. There is only tall trees. We can hide behind it. As they shed the outskirts. Yeah, this is the fencing. Let's go to the water. I don't know what about the operation. I tried to go inside the water. Yeah, you can see the black color in the water. This is the depth of water. We can go under depth. The PUBG mobility version show the depth of water in black color. You can see it. Okay, friends. We can go under its. Okay, this is the fencing. This building and the coloring. Okay, friends, the tank is placed above the roof. I don't know why the grass is removed. The rocks is too good. Damaged vehicle is placed.